G'day, bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making guacamole. Very simple dish and there are so many different ways to do it. I'm doing a very basic one. You can do add-ins such as chopped tomatoes, chopped spring onions. I'm going to just do a basic one with avocados, of course. So we're going to cut our avocados. And the best thing that I have is this avocado masher tool. So you can cut it at one end and mash it with the other. So I scoop it out in my bowl. And I'm going to use 2 avocados. Okay. And we're going to add some lime and lemon. Some people add lime, some people add lemon. You can add both actually for a really nice tang. So we're going to mash the avocado first. If you like it chunky, you don't want to mash it as much. And then we're going to add some fresh garlic that we're just going to put in our mincer. And again, the amounts depend on how many people are coming and how spicy you like it. So I'm going to add my garlic, mix that together, and then I'm going to add half a lime and half a lemon in my juicer. And that is, you don't need, some people put mayonnaise in their avocado. You don't need the mayonnaise if you're going to put in fresh juice because it makes it nice instead. And then I use Tabasco sauce and I just splash it in, and then it's a matter of taste. Like I said, now would be the time to add chopped onions, spring onions, red onions, tomatoes, cilantro. But for a basic avocado, very, very simple. Avocado. Enjoy.